This year we have a new head coach. She was our assistant coach last year and has moved into the head coaching position, Jess Mucci. She's implemented a lot of new things for our program, including 6 a.m. conditioning practices. In the beginning, it was really tough getting up early, but as we have gotten used to it, we've seen many benefits. It's not really hot when you're running, and you get it done with early so that you can get on with your day. Yesterday's running was really hard. Today we implemented some fun competitive relay races, and on Friday we'll get back and have a hard run.
She's coming in, Hudson, come on! She's coming so fast. Go! Go, Zuma, go! Go! Sit down! 2, 3, Gales!